pasa mia mil veces, comita studia hobby ora, meditando y mis coe como alma de un poesía. Pa' mi pinta arriba mi papel, pa' mi pinta arriba mi papel.
Ja.
Druk, echt. Volle agenda.
Esta é mais uma pergunta, Stefano. Senhor Ministro, o que dia já vai planificar?
Het dia Jave eigenlijk conosco bij papia com DG de UNESCO. Então dia hopi lagamos bisa importante para nós. Dia vou bisa histórico também. Caminda senhor não compreende senhor que está op druk, pero toch ela dá nós uma oportunidade para nós bij conversar com ele, com nossa delegação chiquita que nana e met a keren een coisa hopi importante para nós e para nosso pueblo.
Jongeren van ons om bijvoorbeeld stage te lopen op de ambassade, ook rond te lopen hier en ook stagemogelijkheden hier te hebben. En dat is iets dat we ook met u willen bespreken om na te gaan in hoeverre de mogelijkheden daartoe zijn in de huidige situatie. Want alleen maar op die manier kan je zorgen voor grotere betrokkenheid en deskundigheid vermeerderen.
Ja, dat is zeker zo. Ja. Nou ja, we hebben permanent eigenlijk 2 stagiaires en nou ja, er wordt voortdurend, er is natuurlijk veel belangstelling, dat begrijpt u, maar er wordt permanent met vooral universiteiten contact onderhouden, maar in principe kan iedereen die aan een universitaire studie bezig is en dan liefst wel in een vergevorderd stadium, die kan in aanmerking komen. Dus,
Er zijn een aantal
Good morning, I'm Kendall Sigray and I'm with the protocol. I'm here to greet you and to bring you to the Director General's office. How are you this morning, sir?
Good, very good.
Very, very good. How are you? I think we've met a little earlier. No, who did I met? Yes, yes. How are you, sir?
Very good, thank you.
Good.
How are you? I'm fine,
Very
thank you.
well.
Yes.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you? Please, this way. Sorry that there was the wait. Please.
Jim.
Cultura mi razón, tu equivocación, mi que logro un lugar y dignidad de mi sociedad, mi mesterta mi mesterta mi mes, soño soñar, da asimilo que mi ta, acá mi sueño. Manema desea y no porta bom pon otro acto neglixa mi mester ta mi mes mi que ta feliz.
Well, welcome Mr. Minister and congratulations for your admission to UNESCO. We were all very excited because we are becoming a real universal organization, and whenever we have a new member, it's important because we see a different perspective, new ideas coming also, and you spoke also very nicely about your wish to develop cooperation with UNESCO, increase its visibility, and also participate in the different programs. So you're most welcome.
I wish to thank you on behalf of the government and our people of Curacao, and for your very secure words, and you mentioned our Curacao and also Sint Maarten.
It was a very good occasion that we discussed with the ambassador, and so supportive of everything. And it happened on the first day also. It was a very symbolic kind of a decision on behalf of the General Conference, and everybody welcomed you. So I hope that we can develop a really very good cooperation, substantial cooperation. Of course, we have already our World Heritage Site, which is important for us, and the other areas of our mandate, we are also ready to develop this cooperation.
Okay. And we wish under your presidency that we can make some opportunities to be more involved in every activity of UNESCO, so we can send our people to every activity around the world, so we can get experience, and when we are full-fledged member in the near future, then we can, have the experience of the other countries too.
Yes, definitely. Once you have become associated member, you will be involved, you will be invited. I believe in the Caribbean we have quite, I would say, a vibrant cooperation with the countries. Small island development states are very high on our agenda.
And with the CARICOM.
Yes, in all the different areas. Maybe what I would suggest while you are here, maybe we could, I would ask my services here to probably organize kind of a small meeting that you get familiarized with our programs in our projects in the Caribbean. We work in the risk preparedness through the tsunami warning systems. We work on climate change, education for climate change, education for sustainable development. We work with, now we develop a special for youth, and I mean, lots of, I can't enumerate everything. Of course, culture, intangible heritage, culture and development, schools project. We have really quite, I would say, quite well developed, apart from the fact that we have a publication for the SITs that we did capacity building and otherwise, but maybe it might be a good idea, and we'll tell just to organize a small meeting, just an information, so that you know what we are doing, and maybe, and of course you have through the heritage, I guess you already had a lot of knowledge, and you have National Commission, which is a very good sign. So it's not something new for you.
If I may, for the Minister, you just mentioned about the ICH. We have been participating in that. I'll ask the Minister to give you this folder. It is on the ICH, where we have developed, identified traditional values of Curacao that are being lost.
Nice. Oh, that's very nice.
And it was due to a follow-up meeting that was held in Grenada last year.
Yes.
So we organized one in Curacao in May.
Yes,
with the help of the Jamaica office.
Yes, right. I think I mentioned even this meeting, or we discussed with the Prime Minister of Grenada.
Yes.
Exactly, mentioning also this important meeting. Yeah, very good. As I said, you are not new to us. You are not the newcomer to us. I mean, you are now formalizing, so to say.
We hope also in the nearby future that you can visit us to see our Curacao.
I'd love to. Just we have to find the time.
We're too much in demand.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you, wonderful. And I really do wish you every success.
This is World Heritage, the wooden houses of Curacao.
Yeah. Oh, so colorful, it's beautiful. Yeah. Well, thank you very much. I wish we had more time to discuss it.
Yes. But we are very grateful we can talk with you. So short, but it's very important for us.
Yeah. Thank you very much. So once again, congratulations.
Mi trae hobby impressionante, anto mi trae hobby importante, mi sentimi hobby bom, come pora papia che DJ pa sopra andature di batamira con corti con nostra papia per nostra papia ma di un nutshell, lo quale la nostra visa e sentimi hobby feliz agora aqui para mim e para nosso pueblo de Curacao.
Wat is uw reactie bij?
Ja, dit was een heel mooi bezoek. Het was natuurlijk noodgedwongen kort, want iedereen wil met de DG's praten, daar ontkom je niet helemaal aan. Maar ze heeft toch tijd vrijgemaakt en bovendien wat ik opvallend vond, en ik was er niet over verbaasd, want ik ken haar intussen een beetje. Ze had zich weer heel goed voorbereid en ze weet waar ze het over heeft. Ze weet wat er speelt op Curaçao. Ze weet dat Curaçao al een UNESCO Werelderfgoed heeft. En ze weet ook welke problemen er zijn die Curaçao zal moeten oplossen in de komende jaren. En waarin UNESCO een rol kan spelen.